What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you already know by the title, we are going to be going through my phone case collection for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is the case that I currently have. I think I posted a photo on my YouTube, but I've not shown it in a video yet. It's the Caseify Murakami collab, and I personalized it and put shinks on it. And it's so cute. I'm obsessed with this case. I love it so much. I also have this phone charm, whatever you call it, that suits really well. Sorry. I took it off because it was annoying me a bit. But the colours go perfectly. The pink and the blue. Actually obsessed. And I also have a MagSafe pop socket, which I use sometimes because sometimes it's so much easier to use a pop socket with phones. That's what it looks like and I love it. So that's my current phone case, and we'll go through each one and see what we've got in here. And also I've got some accessories as well. So let's see what we have in my basket. Oh, this is actually for my Samsung. I'm using to film right now. Wait, but how cute is this? Oh, I got this for my Samsung. Love it. I'll take the Samsung ones out. I've also got this like pinkish camera protector on, and I don't know if I like it. I think I'm used to it now, but I wasn't sure if it was a bit too much at first. I basically had a plain black one on and then it completely cracked, and this was all I had. I didn't even have a plain one. This was all I had in my box. And I've since bought another black one, but I don't know, I'm kind of used to this one now, so I'm sort of just leaving that there for now. And then this is the other case that I use quite a lot. It's the Casetify Pom Pom Purin collab. I love Pom Pom Purin, but I don't think that my pop socket goes really nicely with it. I don't really like that vibe, so that's the reason I've not been wearing this one lately, but I do love Caseify cases, genuinely obsessed. I've got this. Oh no, I need to show you what it looks like on because it's so cute. This is from GiveWin. I bought it for a few phones in the past actually, and I just think that looks so cute. Doesn't that look so cute? But I hate this pop socket because it's not just a regular one. It looks like this and it's kind of hard on your fingers. Like, it's really not that comfortable, but I do love this case. And sometimes it doesn't pop back in properly, but I think that is absolutely stunning. The cherry blossoms with this phone colour and the camera protector. That is so pretty. So pretty. And then I've got this plain black one. The reason I don't wear this one is because it doesn't have a camera protector. You can't have your own camera protector with it. You literally have to take it off, otherwise it obviously doesn't close properly, and I don't like that because my camera might get scratched, so I don't wear it, but it is very comfortable. I had this for my 13 Pro and I loved it, and I have another one with Totoro on it, but I don't know where it's gone. And then I've got this little Stitch one. I think this case is so cute. I just don't particularly like it with this phone color. I think if I had like a white phone, I'd prefer the design. That's just me being picky, but this is from AliExpress. I saw this design on Skinny Dip and I thought it was gorgeous. And I would buy it from Skinny Dip if I liked it with my phone color, if that makes sense. So yeah, I love this case pattern, don't love it with this phone color. I've got Goku. We love Dragon Ball in this house. On this channel, we love Goku. Sorry, that one's a bit awkward to put in because it's got like sticking out buttons. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Got this off AliExpress as well, I think. Probably like £2. The So Cool is a little bit cringe. But yeah, the buttons are quite satisfying because they stick out so much. I like it, but I love MagSafe, and some of these cheap cases that I've bought, obviously these ones, are not MagSafe, and I'm a MagSafe girly, so that's why I don't really use these cases. I've got this one, so cute. It's just a clear one, I think from Shein, and I got this Pom Pom Purin pop socket. How cute is that? I really love the feel of this case. I love also like the curved design, but yeah, this is just a little bit too bulky, you know, to put in my pocket and stuff. But it's so cute. I love Pom Pom Purin. As you can see, he's there. I love Pom Pom Purin and Cinnamoroll from Sanrio. And then outside of that, I'm a Snoopy girl, and here's my Snoopy case. This was the first Caseify case I got for this phone, because I had this case for my 14 Pro Max and I was obsessed with it, so I bought it again for this phone. And I do really like it. I think it looks really nice. I probably prefer it with just a clear camera protector, not the glitter one, but I think that's a stunning case. So pretty. Love Snoopy. And then, oh yeah, I've got this one from Casebang, which, obsessed. I think it looks so cool. The fact that it's matte and glossy, take my money. Again, we love Goku in this house, and this is MagSafe. It is, oh my god, who am I calling? Who am I calling, please? So yeah, I do really love this case. I also like the fact that Casebang covered the camera button. Again, not with this camera protector. I would just have a clear one. And I do love this case, but I can't use a pop socket with this because obviously, where's he gone? Do you know what I mean? That's why also I haven't been using this case. And also this one as well, because you can't see half of it. So those are the reasons why I've not been using those other cases. And then I did an unboxing of these on my channel. This is the Casebang collection with the interchangeable, where's the other one? It's stuck in there. The interchangeable covers. This is the One Piece Casebang collection with interchangeable covers. So it's like a magnet and you can just change whatever one you want. And I really, really love these cases. They're so nice. I will link the video to these below. And I think this one's my favorite, but I do love all of them. I love Chopper so much. I'm so excited for season 2 of the live action. I'm so hyped. And then my last case, this was the first case that I bought for this phone, and I think it looks absolutely stunning. Like, this, I think, is my prettiest phone case that I have. It's just absolutely gorgeous. It's Rhino Shield, but it's the one where you basically have the bumper separate and you can buy different plates. So kind of like the Casebang one, but this one's not magnetic. And I think it looks so pretty with the pink camera protector. Like, that is just everything, but it's just kind of, it feels kind of heavy. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It feels a bit bulky, I guess I would say. And again, if I put the thing on, it just doesn't look nice. It's not the right vibe. I prefer it without, but I feel like when I use it, it takes a toll on my little finger. But it's stunning, and I love the fact that it's pink from the front, because obviously most of my cases are just black at the front. So yeah, this will always be my prettiest case. And then I've got these two, which is, this was the fake copy of the Pom Pom Purin case that I got off AliExpress, and this is actually my Snoopy case for my old phone. I won't get rid of these. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. Hashtag hoarder. And then I've got my accessories. So I've got a screen protector. I've got, oh, this was the wallet case, so you can put a card in there. It's MagSafe. This came with the One Piece from Casebang, the One Piece collection. And yeah, it's a stand, so you can open it like that, put a card in. Very nice. And I've got a Hello Kitty lanyard, which I've not used. I've shown this before in a previous video. But yeah, it's really pretty, really pretty. It's like a fake Caseify dupe, but I've just not used it because it doesn't really go with any of my cases. I've got, this is a MagSafe, if you want to suction it onto a mirror or something, take videos. I've never used it. I've got these. If something is not MagSafe, you can basically stick that to a case and make it be MagSafe. I've got a silver camera protector, but I don't think that will really go with my phone, you know. I think I bought that before I even knew what color I was going to get. This goes really nicely with my Pom Pom Purin case, actually. So cute. And then I've got, this is the black camera protector that I had to buy because mine broke and I wanted to replace it. I've got this pink pearl lanyard. That would actually look so pretty with this phone case, wouldn't it? And then I've got this brown one, it's got a bear on it. So cute. What the hell is that? And is that everything? Yep, that's pretty much everything. Oh, I've got, this is to put in your, it's like a dust cover. You could put it in there. So cute. And the last thing in my box is this little cinema roll charm, I guess. I don't really like it on the side. Wait, where's my thingy? It could go, oh, it can go down there. So you could, I guess, put it in your little phone charm thingy. But yeah, I don't really know what this is for. I just bought it. I thought it was really cute with the bow. But I've not used it on anything yet. But yeah, that is all my cases that I've got for my phone. Let me know which one is your favorite down below. I think this one is just so pretty. But yeah, I've been using this one. But yeah, let me know which one is your favorite down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.